Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields, and today I'm going to show you how to roast pumpkin seeds. So it's super easy. Check this out. I have my pumpkin all carved. That was like the hard part, just kind of getting the knife in there and getting it going. And basically what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to scoop out some of the insides. You can use a spoon, kind of scoop out like the guts, the pumpkin guts, or you can just kind of reach right in there with your hand, which is probably a much faster way to do this if you don't get skeeved out too easily. Okay, there you go. So guys, it's kind of awkward, like sticking your hand in there and getting like the spoons in there. Another way to do this is you can just cut your pumpkin in quarters and then just scoop out the guts. And you're gonna take these seeds and you're gonna run them underwater in a strainer. So you're just gonna give it a swirl, get rid of all the pumpkin guts. Give it a shake, get all that excess water out. So now guys, a really important step is to dry out your pumpkin seeds, because if you don't dry them out and you pop them in the oven, you're gonna wind up steaming them and they're gonna be a little chewy and not so great. You want them to be nice and crispy and dried. So an important part right now is to actually put them on paper towels, and you can even let them dry out overnight. That's probably the best way for the best tasting sunflower seeds. So you just put them on a paper towel and you let them rest overnight. You can give them a little dab, and you would just leave them be. But a lot of times we do this project with kids, and kids can't wait overnight. So here's what I would do. I would take this, well, I keep saying sunflower seeds. I would take these pumpkin seeds, get a blow dryer, and guys, don't put it on the highest setting. Trust me, I know, I've done it, because they will all blow up in front of you. So put it on a very low setting. Let's try this again, because that's what I had on last time. And you can basically dry them out like this. You're going to take your dried out pumpkin seeds, you're going to put them in a bowl, and you're going to add a little bit of olive oil to them. Let's see, let me scooch all this stuff over here so I have some space. Just a little bit, just enough to coat them. And once you have them coated, you can choose different flavors. So here's what I mean by that. Everybody always loves salt. So we'll do a little bit that has kosher salt mixed in. I'm going to make a batch that has cinnamon sugar. A little cinnamon sugar going on here. Going to give that guy a little mix. And I'm going to do one batch that has barbecue seasoning on it. Barbecue seasoning, that's crazy. Stir. And guys, you can use all other seasonings. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff. You can use chili powder. You can use cayenne pepper. You can use garlic powder. I've got just regular cinnamon without the sugar. So whatever flavors that your family likes, you can make like personalized pumpkin seeds for each of them. And then we're going to take these pumpkin seeds and we're going to put them on a cookie tray. I've already got a batch kind of lined up here. You can put them with their own flavored friends so you don't mix the flavors together. And spread them out. You don't want them to overlap. I'm going to give them like a good shake. Shake, shake, shake. Put them all in their little corners, spread them out, and that's it. Now we're going to pop them in the oven. I'm going to separate these out a little bit better because they're still overlapping. So I'm going to take some time to do that. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven. I have my oven preheated to 350, and I'm going to pop them in the oven for about 12 minutes. And then you're going to check on them, and when they're kind of like light brown and they move around the tray really easy, that means they're done. Right now they're kind of, olive oil logged, so they're kind of like getting like they're stuck in the mud. Okay guys, so when these are lightly brown and they're very easy to kind of shake around the tray, it means they're all set to go. So these look perfect. They look great. Okay guys, so once you have your pumpkin seeds, what you can do is you can store them for like 2 weeks. You can put them in like a Ziploc container or some baggies, and they're good to go. And these guys are great for when you're watching TV at night or when you want a quick snack just to grab for the car. And they're really nutritious. They contain antioxidants, they contain anti-inflammatories, they're packed with magnesium, they're packed with fiber, they're packed with zinc. So guys, the method that I showed you today can be used to roast the seeds from all other squash that you grow in your gardens. So it's the same method, different seeds, slightly different taste, but you can flavor them the way that you like them. And I want to thank you guys for joining us in this video, and please join us for garden tips and relaxation videos, and I'll put a link below to subscribe. So I will see you guys in the next video. Want to make sure that you're... Why does my sink hum? Why are you humming? Why are you humming? Towel like we did before. Did we do that before? I don't know that we did that before. We did this before, right? Okay. I'm losing my mind. Senior moments. Sorry.